Hi folks, this is Justin Barrett here with Hixson Ford of Alexandria, coming to you right now in this brand new 2018 Ford Explorer Limited. I just wanted to kind of go over some of the new features that's out on this year's lineup. One of the safety features that's on this Safe and Smart package is the 180-degree camera. You're going to have a camera in the front and in the back, which is going to make it a lot easier pulling into parking areas or into your garage. And it's going to keep the dents out of your car and out of your wall. And another safety feature that comes standard on all Ford Explorers is the breakaway motor mounts, which is going to help if you, God forbid, have a head-on collision. Instead of that motor coming into the cabin with you, it's going to break away and fall straight down. And as we get to the side right here, it's all aluminum body. You got 20-inch aluminum alloyed wheels. Also has the advanced keyless entry in case you have your keys in your pocket or your keys in your purse. As long as it's close with you, you just walk right up here, press the button, the door opens. And as we get to the back right here, as you can see, you have the rear bumper guards. You have the rear cross traffic alert system sensors right in here. Also has the hands-free kick lift gate. Just do this one little motion right here, and voila. Once inside, as you can see, you have plenty of cargo space, but if you're needing a little bit more, these seats do fold down. Just with one touch of the button right here, just press stow. And voila, plenty of storage space. And of course, should you need that third row, all you're going to need to do is press normal right here, and it's right back to where you had it before. And once inside, as you can see, it comes with push to start. It has heated and cooled seats. For those that are watching this in Louisiana, you can definitely appreciate the cooled seats. Comes with also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is your 8-inch infotainment center. Also comes with navigation. Has plenty of driving assist features such as blind spot monitoring and lane departure. This one comes with the panoramic double panel Vista moonroof. So if you're in the market for a midsize SUV, come on down to Hixson Ford. You pick it out and we work it out.